In this video, you will learn how to turn a regular pen into a lethal ranged weapon in under a minute. All you need is a pen, rubber band, and a pair of scissors. First, grab your scissors and pop out the back of the pen like this. Take out the ink and the spring and then unscrew the front of the pen. After that, pull off the grip of the pen. Wrap the rubber band around the pen like this, and then pop the grip back on the pen. Push the rubber band to the side and your weapon is ready. The weapon operates like a more powerful version of the reliable bow and arrow. You draw back the rubber band to fire the pen ink. The metal tip allows the ammo to be aerodynamic, which is very important as you will see later. As you can see, I've used up a lot of pens during my time at school and university. This is because I was born in 1955 when laptops didn't exist yet, so I had to take notes using these pens. I set myself up for success by keeping all of these empty pens, and now I can harvest all of them for their precious ammo. I'm gonna demonstrate its destructive power by attacking fruit. When you're using this weapon, make sure you pull the rubber band back far enough to maximize your crit chance. The apple put up a good fight, but it wasn't enough. This banana stood no chance. One time when I was 12 years old, I was just playing with my ranged weapon, and I was just like pulling back the rubber band and like enjoying myself looking at the view, and like I accidentally let go of it and I shot the wall of my balcony, and as you can see it caused quite a bit of damage. It just completely cracked the balcony, and I hope my dad doesn't find out. Thanks for watching. This is the first video of many to come. Hit that subscribe button if you want to learn other useful life skills like how to build your cat a house or how to cook dog soup.